Hello everyone, today I want to show you how you can add a video in your PowerPoint presentation. It's extremely easy to do and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. And along the way, I'm also going to show you some tips. Alright, let's get started.
Okay, so here I am in Microsoft PowerPoint and I have a slide and I'd like to put a YouTube video right in the center of my slide. Well, how do I do that? Well, I want to insert. So up here on the top tabs, there's an option for insert. Let's click on that. Once I click on it, this opens up the insert ribbon. And over on the very far right hand side, you'll see the category for media. And within here, there's the option to insert a video. Let's click on this. This opens up a sub-menu and I have two options. I could insert a video from my device or I could insert a video from online videos. So, if you want to insert a video from YouTube, it's an online video. So, I'll click on online videos. Okay. This opens up a dialog to insert an online video and it asks me to enter the URL for the online video. Let's open up our web browser with YouTube and where we're going to get the video's URL. Okay, so I have my web browser open and I have this video here that I recorded not too long ago about how to shorten a link for free. And I'd like to bring this into my presentation. Right down here by the like and dislike button, you'll see a button that says share. If you click on this, it opens up the YouTube share control. I have a whole bunch of different ways that I can share a video. And the one right down here is the URL for the video. This is what we want to put in the PowerPoint. If you want to start the video at the very beginning, you could simply copy it as it is. However, if you want to bring the video into PowerPoint and you want to start at a specific section, you can check this box. Now, I'm going to close this for just a moment. And if you want a video to start at a specific portion, simply choose the point in the video where you want it to start. So maybe I want it to start at 1 minute and 13 seconds. This is where I want it to start playing the video. Once again, I click share and you'll see now that it says start at 1 minute and 13 seconds. If I check this box, it appends a T equals to 73. This is basically how many seconds into the video where we want the start point to be. So this is fine for me. So let me click on copy. Now that I've copied the video, I'm back in PowerPoint and now I need to paste it. So I can right click and click on paste, or I could use Windows shortcut which is Ctrl V to paste it. And let me just press insert. Yay! This will insert my video into my slide. And here you could be done if you just want the basic video. So when I click the play button, this video will start right at 1 minute and 13 seconds. With just now I checked the box that says start at 1 minute and 13 seconds. Once again, if you have a long video that you're inserting, this is a great way for it to start exactly at the point where you want it to start. Now, if I click on the video, you'll see that two additional options appear on the top bar, which is video format and playback. Now, I just want to tell you what you can do with these two. This can help you to enhance the way your videos looks. Now, in video formats, there are a whole different options where, for instance, you could do color corrections or you could even recolor the whole video and you can adjust the poster frame. Now, what does poster frame mean? Well, you see that my video that I inserted uses the thumbnail that is associated with this video on YouTube. But I could change that so that it can fit with my presentation. Once I click on this poster frame, you can choose an image from file. Once I click on this, you can choose an image from your device or you can search for the image that you want online or from your OneDrive. Okay, I want to insert from my device. And I have a photo right here called PPT Sample Thumbnail. And I'm going to click this. And as you can see, it changes the thumbnail. This looks a little cleaner on my slides. If I was unhappy with the image or I have a new image, just click poster frame again and click reset. But I think it looks nice, so I'm not going to change it. Now over here, there are a lot of different styles that you could apply. So let's say you want your video to have a border or a frame. I could pick any of these. I'll just go ahead and pick this. And yeah. Now, if I click on playback, I see all of the playback controls. But because this is a YouTube video, most of the different controls are grayed out or we can't use it. However, I can change one of them and it's the start option. For this, you see a drop down list and I can have in-click sequence, means when I click on the play button, it will start playing. Or I could have automatic, which means when you click on the slide, it will automatically play or when clicked on. But I'm just going to go with in-click sequence. Now, the last thing that I want to show you is that just like any other object within PowerPoint, I could resize the video. I could increase the size or I could even reduce the size. And then I could even reposition the video to wherever I want. I want it in the center. I'm just going to put it here. And let's click on play and let's see how this works. And yay, my video is now playing within PowerPoint. And I can skip ahead. Or rewind. And I can have all the standard YouTube controls. I can even press this button and it will redirect me to YouTube if I want to watch it there. That's all from me.
If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. And lastly, if you want to see me cover any other videos in the future, leave them in the comment down below. And as always, I'll hope to see you next time. Bye.